How's it going, everybody? It's Stas here. Hope you guys are having a great weekend so far. A fantastic Saturday afternoon. I for sure am. I'm currently sipping a double espresso right now, and I was sifting through some stocks in the midst of this crappy weather that we're actually seeing right now in New Jersey. It's raining where I'm at here on the East Coast. It's slowly getting cold. It's that time of the year, guys, and I figured, hey, I'm looking through some stocks. Let me make a quick M1 Finance portfolio update video. And as you guys know, maybe you don't know, this portfolio that you're seeing right now, right in front of you, is a portfolio I started strictly for the YouTube channel about a year and a half ago, or was it 2 years ago? I forget now. But I started it for the channel from $0 to now over $17,000, and I want to break it down, go over moves I've been making, stocks I'm holding, and how the portfolio has been doing. So if you guys find value, hit the like button, subscribe, check out my Patreon down below, and feel free to get 50 free bucks from M1 Finance, which is a limited time promotion they're running. If you guys use my link down below and deposit simply $100, we each get 50 bucks to invest with. It's that simple. So let's take a look at what's going on. I believe the last time we made an update video, I had about $16,700 in this portfolio, and that was in the middle of the little tiny sell-off that we saw in the markets, or maybe it was before that. I think the update video was in the end of October. But since then, the markets have soared right back up, and now we're sitting at about $17,074 invested with an extra $100 cash balance. So I'm sitting a little bit under $17,200 in this portfolio. And if we quickly look at the different time frames to see how this portfolio has performed over time, we're noticing on the daily time frame, pretty much Friday, we gained $110. On the week, we gained about, or lost in this case, $97. On the month, we're up $900, which is great. Almost $1,000 up on the month. On the quarter, we're up about $680. On the year, we're up $3,200. And all time, we're up a little bit under $4,000. And don't take any of this as financial advice, guys. I'm not telling you what to buy, what to sell, what to invest in. This is not a channel where I'm going to hold your hand and just tell you what to do, right? I'm just giving you all my perspective, what I'm investing in, and we're seeing a lot of inflation right now. A lot of inflation, which is destroying the purchasing power of the U.S. dollar, which is pretty much the currency everybody watching this video uses, unless you're outside of the U.S., which if you are, let me know in the comments down below where you're watching this video from. But with all the inflation we're seeing, the way to combat that and protect your purchasing power is by investing in the stock market, real estate, crypto, whatever. It's investing your money. That is how you combat inflation, because if all of your money is sitting in cash, and don't get me wrong, some of your money needs to be in cash, but if all of your money is in cash, you're making a mistake, in my humble opinion. So let's take a look at how I'm investing my money within this portfolio, what I'm holding, and how these positions have been doing. So let me actually pop up the month tab for this. We'll see how these positions have been doing over the past month. And let me make sure you guys can see everything. Yep, you can. So I haven't really added anything new to the portfolio since the last video. I still own all of the same stocks. I've just been trimming a little bit and adding to other positions. We'll talk about that right now. So I ended up trimming a little Tesla in this portfolio. It was at I think my Tesla position ran up to like $1,200 in this account. I ended up trimming it also in another account. It went from $1,200, now it's sitting at $800. We'll talk about that in a second. But first, the top positions are still the S&P 500 ETF, VOO. I have about $4,000 in that in this account. Under that, we have Google at about $3,000, right? Under that, we have Alibaba at about $2,300. Under that, we have Amazon at $16,000, and then XLE and Energy ETF at about $1,500-$1,600. So those, as of now, are the top 5 positions I hold in this portfolio, and they comprise pretty much all of the portfolio. Geez, guys, most of it, if I can even talk correctly today, guys, 10% XLE, 10% Amazon, 10% Alibaba, which is about 30%. It is 30%. 20% in Google, which is 50%, plus 25%, which is 75%. So my top 5 positions comprise 75% of the overall portfolio. And then under that, we have some of the more interesting positions. We have GDX, a gold miners ETF, which that has been doing very well in the past month. It's up about 11-12%, up $100 in this account. Under that, we have MasterCard, PayPal, Tesla, and Disney. These are the 4 underdogs. Well, not Tesla. Tesla's not an underdog, but recently in the markets, MasterCard, PayPal, and Disney, these 3 stocks have been hit. And these are the ones that I've actually been adding to in this portfolio, right? I trimmed Tesla, like I alluded to earlier. I trimmed it at $12.30 in this account and in other accounts as well. My other account, one other account that I own Tesla, and I own it in 2 accounts. I trimmed it at $12.30, roughly, or was it maybe a little bit more than that? $12.31, something like that. Trimmed it at $12.30 per share, right? I trimmed about 25% in this portfolio, and then I took that money and then I started putting that into MasterCard, PayPal, and now I actually have $100 in cash. I'll do a live, even though the markets are closed now, I'll do a live buy order. I'm going to add that money. I'll do 50-50. I'll put $50 into Disney, buy, and I'll show you guys how to do this here. Buy, $50, continue, confirm buy. That's it. Now this trade will go through at 9:30 a.m. on Monday, so I'm going to be buying $50 of Disney, and then I'll probably buy what should I do here? Maybe I'll buy $50 more in PayPal to put this money to work. So buy 50, continue, confirm buy, boom. So now that $100 that's sitting in cash up here to the top right that you guys can see under the cash balance, that's going to be invested in Disney and PayPal. So those are 2 buys that are going to go through on Monday. And let me show you this. The activities tab, let me go to activity and then trading only. You guys can see the past 2 weeks, this is where did I trim Tesla? On November 4th. Here, exactly what I'm talking about, right? I sold about $250 of Tesla, trimmed about 20% of the position in this account, and then I put that money into MasterCard and PayPal, and then I bought more Google on the 1st of November. In this account, I bought in the end of October more PayPal, more Amazon, and I think that is where we did our previous update, end of October. So we can see here $100 of MasterCard, $100 of Google on the 28th of October. So I've really just made a couple of moves so far in October. Trimmed Tesla, bought more MasterCard, bought more PayPal, bought more, a little bit of Google, and now I'm just pretty much, I'm looking to just add more to Disney, MasterCard, and PayPal at these suppressed levels. I'm not necessarily looking to buy heavily more into Google or Amazon or Baba at this point unless we do see a correction in the markets. And I'm kind of just letting it ride, guys, and I might just stack up some cash. I might throw a couple $100 every month into the account to just have a cash position because as of now, I just depleted my cash. So that's pretty much it, man. I mean, I'm not doing much of anything else. You know, those are the stocks I'm buying the dip on. Disney, PayPal, MasterCard. I don't know how many times I'm going to say that, but that's it. You know, if you guys enjoyed the video, let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Hit the like button, subscribe, check out my Patreon if you all want my real-time buys, sells, call-outs, morning update videos. Literally everything I'm doing is on Patreon in real time, and you get more access to me. And don't forget to also get your 50 free bucks from M1 Finance, which is this platform. Trust me, guys, I wouldn't be pushing this if I didn't actually enjoy the platform. I really like it. It's for long-term investing, and you get 50 free bucks if you sign up using my link and deposit $100. So check it out. It's linked down below. I'll catch you guys in the next video. And oh, by the way, if you guys are interested in the playlist, you want to see the previous update videos to this portfolio, how it went from $0 to where it is now, check it out. I'll pop it up here. I'll see you guys there. Thanks for watching. Again, as always, keep crushing the markets. Stay safe out there. Peace out.